Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some more soap, and we're continuing testing some new fragrances from the Midwest Fragrance Company, and today we'll be doing Pink Dragon Fruit. Now I've seen a lot of people do this, it's nothing new, and they'll take a pink to represent the outside of the fruit, and for the flesh in the fruit they'll do white and put poppy seeds in, and it looks great. I love it. I love the look of poppy seeds in soap. I don't like the feel. I don't like bathing with it, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just do a traditional drop swirl, which is the way I like to test a fragrance to see how it holds up. So we'll have white with titanium dioxide. We'll have pink vibrance. I haven't used this in a long time. Not one of my favorite pinks, but pink's not really a favorite anyway, but we are going to be using a favorite of mine, Purple Vibrance, and this is my favorite purple. So those three colors will be the body of the soap, and I'll do something green on the top for the piping. I do want to try something that's going to put the fragrance to the test. I want to do a tiger stripe where you pour just a center line right down in the center of the mold with one color, the next color, so on, so on, so on, but I want to try something different. As soon as I get the tiger stripe, I want to take my hanger tool, put it straight down the center, over to the side, pull it out, similar to the way you do the secret feather. I just want to see what happens, and that's assuming the fragrance holds up. So enough talk, give me a minute to get set up, and we'll start with this soap. Okay, we're ready. I think I just contradicted myself in the introduction. I think I said I'm going to do a drop swirl like I usually do, and then I said I'm going to do a variation of the tiger stripe. I think I did anyway. But I'm going to do the variation on the tiger stripe. I don't have a script, I just kind of play along as I go, and sometimes my aging mind isn't quite as sharp as it once was. So let's start with our pink vibrance. We'll set that aside. Next is our white with titanium dioxide mixed in hot water. And finally, our purple vibrance. Now, since these are so barely emulsified, you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit them with the stick blender quickly to finish emulsifying them. So it's a nice stable emulsion. Lightest to darkest. Oops. No air, but that looks good. And the moment of truth. This has a very high safe usage rate, so I can use all 4 ounces. So I can use both of these bottles in their entirety. So half in there, half in there. Half in here, and the other half for the fragrance. And I've decided the way I'm going to test this to see how it holds up is just hand stir it into the soap, and I'm going to stick blend it into the frosting and see how long it takes to set up. No ricing, no immediate acceleration. while I am not going to stick blend these, I do believe that is just way too thin. I'm going to wait just a little while, so I'll be back. Alright, let's give this a shot. Here we go. Now this is a long pour. It takes a long time to do this, so I'll probably do a few swipes at regular speed and then speed it up. Okay, it's thickening, so I'm going to just drop swirl these in. Maybe I'll do a hanger tool. That's what I'll do to make it look a little different. Oh yeah, I am definitely glad I did not stick blend this. Okay, that needs to set up a little bit more, so I'll be back when I'm ready with the frosting. Alright, let's see what we have with this one. Nice colors. Top came out nice. Just cut right into it and see. Yep, exactly what I was expecting. Nice strong scent. And those other two so far are holding up really well. So I didn't get quite the pour I was hoping because it thickened up a little on me, but it was manageable, and hanger tool saved it and got a really nice design, nice colors. It smells good. So here's another one I'm really happy with. Happy with the soap, the fragrance, and the fragrance company. And I'll see you again this weekend with one final test from Midwest Fragrance. So thanks for watching. Stay safe and take good care of yourselves and be blessed, everybody. Bye.